Freelancing can be a game changer for your income, especially if you need cash fast. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer services like graphic design or writing, and you can get paid as soon as you complete a task. Imagine finishing a project today and seeing that money in your account by tomorrow. For even quicker cash, check out Gigwalk or Field Agent. These apps connect you with short gigs that pay immediately upon completion. And if you prefer local jobs, TaskRabbit is perfect for earning cash on the spot. Whether it's running errands or assembling furniture, you can boost your income with flexible daily payouts. Dive into these opportunities and watch your earnings grow. I want to share some quick and effective ways to make money without any investment. First, take a look around your home. You'd be surprised at how many unused items you have that can be sold on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. It's a simple way to declutter and earn cash at the same time. Next, consider affiliate marketing. If you enjoy social media or have a blog, you can promote products and earn commissions for every sale made through your links. It's a fantastic way to leverage your online presence without spending a dime. Lastly, dive into microtasking with apps like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. These platforms let you complete small tasks for quick cash. It's flexible and can fit right into your busy schedule. These methods require no upfront costs and can help you earn money fast. So why not get started today? I want to share some quick ways to make money without spending a dime. First, look around your home for unused items. Selling them on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace can help you declutter and earn cash fast. Next, consider affiliate marketing. If you have a social media presence or a blog, promote products and earn commissions for every sale made through your links. It's a great way to monetize your online activity. Lastly, check out microtasking apps like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. You can complete small tasks for quick cash, all from your phone or laptop. These methods require no upfront investment and can really boost your income. So why wait? Start today and watch your earnings grow. Managing money doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially in 2024. First, I recommend using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. They make it super easy to track your expenses and set spending limits so you always know where your money is going. Next, take a good look at your subscriptions. Cancel anything you don't use regularly and consider switching to cheaper service providers. You'd be surprised how much you can save just by cutting unnecessary costs. Finally, automate your savings with apps like Digit. They effortlessly set aside small amounts from your account, helping you build your savings without even thinking about it. These strategies can help you take control of your finances quickly, save more, and spend smarter this year. In the world of finance, every decision counts. As I type away, analyzing reports, I'm reminded that each number tells a story. The flick of a page reveals trends, while the swipe of a credit card signifies trust in our choices. The stock market, a dance of rising and falling charts, reflects the pulse of our investments. Every calculation on my trusty calculator is a step towards understanding risk and opportunity. Counting cash, I feel the weight of potential. Each bill a testament to strategic planning. In this journey, it's not just about making money, it's about mastering the art of money management. Every decision shapes our financial future, and with each choice, I'm crafting a path toward success. Looking to make some extra cash on the side? Let me share my top 3 money-making apps that are perfect for college students. First up is Swagbucks. You can earn cash just by taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. It's super easy and a great way to make money during your downtime. Next, there's TaskRabbit. If you're handy or just want to help out, you can get paid quickly for small gigs like furniture assembly or running errands. It's flexible and fits right into your schedule. Finally, don't miss out on Rakuten. This app gives you instant cash back on everyday purchases, so you can save money while you shop. These apps are user-friendly and offer quick ways to boost your income. Give them a try and start earning extra cash right from your phone. Flipping items for instant profit is a game changer. Start by hunting for undervalued treasures. Think electronics, furniture, or those hidden gems at thrift stores. Check platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace to see what similar items are selling for. Buy low, give them a quick clean or repair if needed, and then list them online for a profit. Focus on trending products. They sell faster and can boost your cash flow. This simple strategy turns everyday items into quick cash with minimal effort. Dive in, start flipping, and watch your profits soar. Imagine turning your free time into quick cash. You can start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, offering your skills to clients who need them right now. If you're into e-commerce, dropshipping is a fantastic option. No inventory needed. Just find trending products and sell them online. Ever thought about reselling? Thrift stores are gold mines for unique items you can flip for a profit. Or tap into your local community by offering services like dog walking or delivery. It's a great way to earn while staying active. And don't overlook online surveys or website testing. Easy tasks that can put some extra cash in your pocket. These side hustles are not just practical, they're a chance to learn and grow. So why wait? Start today and watch your efforts pay off. I'm here to tell you that you can turn your skills into quick cash in just 24 hours. Think about what you're good at: writing, graphic design, photography, or even handyman services. You have talents that people are willing to pay for. Start by signing up on platforms like TaskRabbit or Fiverr. Create a profile that showcases your expertise. Make it compelling. Set competitive rates that attract clients without undervaluing your work. Once your profile is live, promote your services on social media or local community boards. Share your passion and let people know what you can do. With a little effort and determination, you can start earning cash in just one day. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you, create them. Your skills are your ticket to financial freedom. Unlocking quick money through passive income is easier than you might think. Start by renting out that spare room on Airbnb. It's a simple way to generate income without much effort. Just set up your space, list it online, and let guests do the rest. Next, consider affiliate marketing. If you love sharing products, why not earn commissions? Just post links to your favorite items on your blog or social media. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn money. And don't overlook the power of YouTube. Create a channel around your interests, upload videos, and monetize ads. It's a fantastic way to earn while doing something you enjoy. With these ideas, you can start generating income from the comfort of your home.